Hello and welcome to Learn Statistics class. In this class we are going to learn the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. The topic of today's lecture is chi-square distribution. In this topic we will learn mode of chi-square distribution. Suppose if x follow a chi-square with parameter n, then mode of chi-square distribution is the solution of the equation f dash equal to 0 and f double dash x at x equal to mode is less than 0, where fx equal to PDF of chi-square. This means that mode is the value of x for which value the PDF of chi-square distribution attains a maximum value. In order to obtain mode, let us consider the PDF of chi-square distribution. We know that PDF of chi-square distribution is 1 upon 2 raised to n by 2 gamma n upon 2 e raised to minus x by 2 multiplied by x raised to n upon 2 minus 1 for x greater than equal to 0. Now we are taking logarithm on both sides to simplify the form of PDF. Hence log fx is equal to log c plus log e raised to minus x upon 2 plus log x raised to n by 2 minus 1. Here c is this constant 1 upon 2 raised to n by 2 gamma n upon 2, which is equal to log c. Since we are taking the natural logarithm, log and this exponential function get cancelled, exponent function cancel, so it is only minus x by 2 plus n upon 2 minus 1 into log of x, where log c is equal to log of 1 by 2 raised to n by 2 gamma n upon 2. Let me call it as this is equation number 1. Now we differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. We get 1 upon fx into f dash x. Derivative of log c is 0 minus 1 upon 2 into 1 plus n upon 2 minus 1 into derivative of log x is 1 upon x, which is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus n upon 2 minus 1 upon x. Therefore f dash x is equal to f of x into minus 1 by 2 plus n upon 2 minus 1 upon x. Let me call it as equation number 2. Now we will equate derivative of PDF is equal to 0. This will implies if derivative is 0, then fx into minus 1 half plus n by 2 minus 1 into 1 upon x is equal to 0. Therefore here, since f of x is a PDF, which lies between 0 and 1, it cannot be 0. Therefore, in order to this equation equal to 0, this bracket must be 0. Hence, minus 1 upon 2 plus n upon 2 minus 1 into 1 upon x must be equal to 0. Therefore, n upon 2 minus 1 into 1 by x is equal to 1 upon 2. Hence, x equal to 2 into n by 2 minus 1, which is equal to n minus 2 into 2 divided by 2. Therefore, x equal to n minus 2. This is the value of x. Now, we will differentiate equation number 2 again with respect to x. Let me write the equation 2 first. This is equation 2. Differentiate equation 2 with respect to x. We get therefore f double dash x is equal to, this is u into v form, this is u and this is v. So, product of, we will use the formula for product of differentiation. 0 plus n by 2 minus 1, derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 upon x square, plus derivative of u, that is fx, which is f dash x, bracket is as it is, minus 1 upon 2 plus n upon 2 minus 1 into 1 upon x. Now I will substitute the value of f dash x from equation number 1. So, what happened? F of x minus f of x upon x square into n by 2 minus 1 plus fx multiplied by minus half plus n by 2 minus 1 into 1 upon x bracket square. This is from equation 2. Look here, from this I will substitute the value of f dash x. After that I will take f of x common from both the terms. Then what will happen? This is minus 1 upon x square into n by 2 minus 1 plus minus 1 by 2 plus n upon 2 minus 1 upon x raised to 2 bracket complete. Now we will substitute the value of x that we have obtained earlier, x equal to n minus 2. We get f of n minus 2 into bracket minus 1 upon n minus 2 whole square. I will simplify this bracket as n minus 2 by 2 plus minus 1 by 2 plus, this bracket is also simplified, n minus 2 by 2 into the value of x is n minus 2 whole square. Now this n by 2 get cancelled. From this one n minus 2 cancel with this n minus 2. So we are left with f double dash x at x equal to n minus 2 is equal to fn minus 2 into bracket minus 1 upon 2 into n minus 2 plus into bracket minus half plus half whole square. So it is this minus up plus up get cancelled, minus 1 upon 2 n minus 2 into f n minus 2. We know that f n minus 2 is the value of PDF of chi-square at the point n minus 2, and that lies between 0 to 1, and n is the degrees of freedom, which is always positive. So these all terms is positive. Due to this only minus sign, the effect of this expression is negative. Hence, the second derivative of PDF of chi-square at x equal to n minus 2 is less than 0. Hence, the PDF of chi-square attains its maxima at the point n minus 2. Therefore, mode equal to n minus 2. This is the value of mode of chi-square distribution with n degrees of freedom. Hence, in this way, in this lecture, we learn what is mode and how we obtain the mode of chi-square distribution step by step. I hope students understand how to obtain mode for the chi-square distribution. If a student like this lecture, click on the like button, share with your friends and classmates in order to learn the statistics in simple and more easy way. Many more statistical concepts are already discussed on the Learn Statistics channel. If a student want to learn that lectures, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of all the playlists are mentioned in the description below. Further, students are requested to subscribe Learn Statistics channel in order to get the notification of upcoming lectures in the upcoming days. We will meet in the next lecture with the next topic from the subject statistics. Till then, we will stop here. Thank you.